Hello YouTube and welcome back to Psychology Everyday Day 199. Just checking so the sound is good. Looks like it's good. Looks like the focus is good. Nice. I talked previously in a video about how you are your house. And I just want to ask you the question. What would it mean if someone were to disrespect your home? If they didn't knock when they came in through the door, they put their work boots on your dinner table, and then whenever they feel like it, they spit on your floors. Of course, that means that they don't respect you. If they don't respect your home, then they don't respect you. You wouldn't dare do something like that in a person's home that you have a lot of respect for. So, of course, this begs the question, if you don't respect your home, why is that? Well, probably means that you don't have respect for yourself. Because if you did, you would treat your home with respect, because you live in it. And there's also the sort of aspect of gratitude, right? Some people ask me why I renovate so much when I'm gonna sell my house. And well, first of all, it's a smart thing to do because then you get more money, right? Especially if it's cheap renovations. Only costs hours and sweat. But it's also the fact that, this house, it has provided me and my son with a safe place to sleep. It has kept us warm, and as a sign of gratitude and love for this house, for this home, I want to, give back before I before I leave. And renovating a staircase is a painful thing. It's a lot of effort goes into renovating a staircase, and not a lot of people do it. And to me, I don't know if this is true in the Jungian sense, but for me, the staircase is really the heart of the home, besides the kitchen. And I felt that, that was the nicest thing I could do for this house, and try to fix the staircase. Now, I'm not a painter, I've never been a painter, but I did my best, and that's the most important thing really in this aspect when it comes to respect. Because some people might just be stupid, right? And they don't know any better than to put their work boots on your dinner table. But respect is about showing off your best side. Your home, according to Jungian psychology, is you in dreams and stuff like that. But of course, anyone that knows anything knows that how and what someone's home is says a lot about that person. So much. As a psychologist that loves projective analysis, the home, if you can get a look at someone's home and you try to think about what, it tells, then that's one of the fastest way to truly get to know someone. Have a fantastic day, everyone, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.